I'm down for starting a ham radio learning program.
Yes, she's speaking my language and you're going to want to speak it too. Why would you want to get into ham radio? Because radio is the ultimate off-grid comms. It does not require internet, cellular, or grid power. That's why it's used by first responders, law enforcement, the military. But where do you start in ham radio? First of all, get your radios. There is no license required in the United States to listen and to purchase equipment. So you can order these right now. I've got a link here. If you're in another country, you can check my bio. These are on TikTok direct from the manufacturer. I love these two radios. The baby one is the H3. It is 5 watts. The bigger one is a little bit heavier. It is the H8 and it is 10 watts and it is a full 10 watts. The most important thing you need to know about ham radio is it does require a license. So all those videos you see of people on TikTok saying these are walkie-talkies, not only are they not walkie-talkies, but that information stands to get you one heck of a fine. If you think the FCC doesn't fine people, maybe look into the guy who transmitted during a wildfire and was fined $34,000. There's a reason that licenses are required. In a nutshell, it's nothing to do with you. In fact, do not put your home address when you apply for the license at the FCC because it becomes public. Do use a work address, a PO box, or another address. Do not use your home address. The FCC just cares about a valid email address. So it's nothing to do with hunting you down. And you'll hear people go, oh, the air is free, it shouldn't need a license. Well, the air is used by the telecommunications industry who pays billions of dollars for those frequencies for all of the stuff that you watch on TV and the radio you listen to with music, and not to mention the government and the military and your microwave and your garage door opener. All of these things have frequencies. So there has to be some regulation. We get ham radio frequencies and it costs the bargain price in the United States of $35 for 10 years. I think that's amazing. These are so fully featured. They're identical except for the power levels and the weight and one other feature. Welcome. The screens are the same. All the interfaces and menus are the same except for one tiny feature. The little one has the ability to listen to air traffic, airband, air traffic control. If you're within, a few miles of an airport or you like to listen when you go traveling and stuff. So that is the only difference. They both have crazy great features, such as they are Bluetooth programmable by a free app you can get for Android or iOS called OD Master. It's amazing. One moment. If you already have radios and you're like, mine isn't Bluetooth programmable, look no further than this little puppy, which I will also link down here. This is amazing. It will turn any of those made in China radios, you know the ones, into Bluetooth programmable radios. Pretty sweet. So get that. These do not need that because they have built-in Bluetooth. I'll be putting up fresh, shiny new tutorials. I also go live every week, usually on a Sunday. You will know when I go live because I will be putting a little event here. Definitely buy 2. You want to have a pair of radios. The reason for that is you can test as you program that you've done it right. I know it sounds corny, but we all do it. Additionally, you're going to most likely want some other important person to have a radio, or you might want to have one in your car and one in your home. Definitely get 2 radios. That's all for now. I will see you in the comments. Take care.